Hi alle sammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss 10 ways to say goodbye in Norwegian. One of the fundamental phrases to learn in any language, including Norwegian, is how to say goodbye. In our discussion today, we will try to enhance your Norwegian communication skills by discussing 10 distinctive ways to say goodbye in Norwegian. Ha det, ha det, ha det. The standard and most common way to say goodbye in Norwegian is ha det, ha det, ha det. It can be used in virtually any setting, regardless of formality. Its literal translation is have it, but in context of a farewell, it expresses a sentiment closer to be well or farewell. You might use this in everyday settings, such as concluding a meeting or parting ways with a friend after a coffee catch up. Adjø, adjø, adjø. If you're in a more formal setting or bidding goodbye for a long time, you may choose to use adjø, adjø, adjø. This term, with roots in the French word adieu, has an air of finality and gravity to it, much like farewell in English. Vi ses, vi ses, vi ses. Perfect for casual and friendly context. Vi ses, vi ses, vi ses carries the essence of see you. It suggests an upcoming meeting, making it ideal to use with friends, colleagues, or family members when you plan to see each other again soon. Ha det bra, ha det bra, ha det bra. A warmer, well-wishing phrase to use in farewells is ha det bra, ha det bra, ha det bra. It translates to have it good and carries an undertone of take care or be well. Use it when you want to express care for the person you're parting from. Farvel, farvel, farvel. Another formal goodbye phrase in Norwegian. Farvel, farvel, farvel is suitable for formal situations or when you're parting ways with someone for a considerable period. It reflects a sense of solemnity in the farewell. God natt, god natt, god natt. When bidding goodbye late in the evening or at night, Norwegians commonly use god natt, god natt, god natt, which translates to good night. It's equivalent to the English good night and is commonly used before bed or after a late night conversation. Snakkes, snakkes, snakkes. Popular among younger Norwegians, snakkes, snakkes, snakkes is an informal way of saying talk later or let's speak again. It's a casual phrase ideal for friends and peers, indicating a continuation of the conversation at a later time. Ha en fin dag, ha en fin dag, ha en fin dag. If you're parting ways during the day, you could use ha en fin dag, ha en fin dag, ha en fin dag. A considerate phrase, meaning have a nice day. You might use it when leaving a cafe in the morning, bidding the barista good day ahead. Takk for nå, takk for nå, takk for nå. After spending time with someone, it's customary to use takk for nå, takk for nå, takk for nå, meaning thanks for now. This phrase shows your gratitude for the shared time and can be used in a variety of contexts after a shared meal, a meeting, or a visit to a friend's house. Ses senere, ses senere, ses senere. Similar to see you later in English, Ses senere, ses senere, ses senere is a casual and friendly phrase indicating a short-term departure. It's commonly used among acquaintances, friends, or colleagues in informal settings. The Norwegian language offers a rich variety of ways to express goodbye, each with its own connotations and suitable settings. Your relationship with the person and context determines which phrase to use. By familiarizing yourself with these 10 phrases, you will be well equipped to navigate different farewell scenarios in Norwegian and leave an enduring impact. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.